Hey, I wanted to just do a quick review for you on the M18. This is the Cordless Grease Gun. Um, this is a game changer. I know the company makes it. I've already got the Milwaukee system. I'm committed to that. But I've sort of been used to using the hand pump ones, and I got a good deal on this, and I thought, hey, like, why not? Let's give it a try. And oh man, can't ever go back. This is fantastic. A couple things that Milwaukee's done. So first of all, just the fact that you're not trying to squeeze it and hold the nozzle on. I know they make clip-on like nozzles now for the grease fittings. It's just great to have like extra hands. This nozzle actually does stay on here pretty well. I like the fact that it's got a spot for the hose to kind of go. You can kind of see that holder there. Loading it is really easy. Pull back the plunger, click it in place, release the pressure. There's a pressure release right here on the front. Release the pressure, unscrew it, put the grease can in, and slam it back in, screw it on. Doesn't even need to be really tight, and it's good to go. There is a trigger guard lock. Don't think you'll end up having a lot of issues with that, but there's a light on the front as well, so if you're trying to do it in the dark, that's kind of handy. It's all built in there. And then I just love how it fits really well for operation. There also is a setting on this side. You can kind of adjust the speed. It comes out. I haven't played with that a ton, but if you've got equipment that you're needing to grease up, I highly recommend this. This makes life so much easier. It also, one of my concerns was with the battery, if it'd kind of keep pumping out grease, and it seems like it cuts off pretty quickly. So I like that. I was concerned about that a little bit, but I like that a lot. So if you're looking at trying to make your life better, or getting a grease gun, I would highly recommend, for the money, you check out the M18 Grease Gun by Milwaukee. I think you're just going to be so happy with it.